Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to hop in here and give you directions for what you're going to be doing tomorrow and Tuesday, depending on your period. So periods 1 through 4 are going to be tomorrow, and 5 through 8 are going to be on Tuesday. So basically, you're going to be completing 2 pre-assessments and 1 short EdPuzzle video. So when you log in, you'll see, the updates here. I just want to let you know, although I'm in period 8 right now, all of my 7th grade periods will be seeing something similar, and all of the assignments are located in the same area. So even though it's not your period, it's going to be located in the same exact area. So as normal, we go to materials, and then you're going to look for a file that says 7th grade pre-assessments. I mentioned before that when we take pre-assessments, I expect you to know none of this material. I'm going to just say that one more time. I expect you to know nothing on this test. I am going to trust that no one's going to Google any of the answers. So the point of a pre-assessment is basically for, my bosses to see that I'm doing my job and teaching you what I'm supposed to be teaching you. So the way to show that I taught you the material I'm supposed to is to give you a test with that material before I teach it to you. And that's what we're doing right now. So right now I need to prove to my bosses that you know none of the stuff already. If you know a question or two, that's okay. If you know none of it, that's also okay. I'm not expecting you to know any of it. There are 2 assessments here, and both of them are 35 questions each. Read the question and take your best guess. I do not want you Googling answers. Please do not do that. The worse you do on this end, that's just how much improvement we have for you. And it's going to be great when you retest and you say, wow, I failed that first one miserably, and now I got an A or I got a B on this second test. So all you're going to be doing is clicking into the test, and then it's going to give you the questions here. So you'll click on them. You'll choose the answer that you want to. Again, do not Google the answers. If you get a high score, I am going to have to make sure that you do not Google answers, because this is stuff that you should not know. Although you are getting a, numeric grade in here, it's not going to go into the grade book. This will not be graded until I give it to you again after you take the course, or after we go over everything. So you are going to be doing both of these tests. They should take you not very long, to be honest with you. It's 35 questions. You read the question, you choose an answer. I can't even imagine each question taking you a minute. I would say, 30 seconds for you to read and take a guess. Because again, you won't know the answer, so you don't have to, worry about it. These grades will not be put into the grade book. They are actually technically ungraded. So both of them must be done by midnight on Wednesday. And then the only other thing that you're going to have to do is, again, under materials, where everything else is, I put it under getting acquainted because it's really not content related yet. So you'll click on the getting acquainted folder and then click on this why do we study history video. This is a few minute EdPuzzle video that kind of goes into the point of studying history, because I usually get that question, why do we study this? Why do I need to know this? And I'm hoping this video kind of addresses that for you. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, send me a remind message, Google voice message. It does not matter. Just send me some sort of form of communication. So again, when we're in the materials section, you're going to be going to, here we go back. All right. The 7th grade pre-assessments, and then clicking on that and taking the 2 pre-assessments. They should not take you long at all. And then going under getting acquainted and taking the EdPuzzle video and questions that are embedded in there. And that's it. Both, or all 3, 2 tests and the video, are all due by Wednesday at 11:59. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know.